Welcome to my channel. Few gadgets. Please subscribed. Motion sensor. R switch automatically. Turns on, off lights, fans, and motors based on the occupancy and vacancy detected in a room. Auto mode works as an occupancy sensor, auto on, auto off. On and off modes allow you to override the sensor and use the sensor. Switch is a regular light switch, max sensor. Coverage area 980 square foot, 180-degree field of view. Adjustable range and sensitivity from 30% to 100%. Variable time. Delay 15 seconds. Test mode 10-minute, 20-minute, 30 minimum. Neutral wire required. 120 VAC, CFL, LED, 150W, incandescent, halogen, 500W, motor, 1/8 HP, single, pole use only, wall plate sold separately, UL listed, 1-year warranty, sensor wall. Switch detects motion. To automatically turn lights on and off based on the occupancy or vacancy in a room. Passive, infrared, PIR, sensor, detects motion, with 180 degrees field of view. Advanced, PIR reduces false triggers from unwanted movements. Motion sensor, wall switch features, a universal wiring design with interchangeable, hot and load wires to make installation easier. No longer second guess which wire goes where. Occupancy sensor mode, auto on, auto off, and vacancy sensor mode, manual on, auto off, allow you to customize the sensor according to your needs. Adjustable time. Delay options 15 seconds. Test 5-minute, 10-minute, 20-minute, 30-minute. Change mode with the OCC VAC switch located under the face of the device. White color 1,200 square feet. Max coverage area 180-degree field of view. No neutral wire required. Ground wire required. 4A 120 VAC at 60 Hz, 500W, incandescent, halogen, 250 watt LED, CFL. 1/8 HP motor. Rating. Operating temperature 32 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Compliant with Title 20 and Title 24. Single pole only. Device dimensions 2.5 inches W by 4.5 inches H by 2.5 inches D. UL listed. 1-year warranty. Guided setup. As with all Kasa products, you can follow the easy to use Kasa app to guide you through the install process. This product requires a neutral wire for installation. If you are not familiar with electrical wiring, we always recommend using a licensed electrician to help with the installation. Add convenience with your Wi-Fi, ceiling fan, switches. Get convenience and comfort with the ability to adjust between 4 fan speeds from the switch or CYNC app and enhanced functionality like out-of-home control and scheduling, so you always come home to a comfortable house. Easy DIY installation. Easy to install on your own or with the help of a professional. Replaces standalone ceiling fan switches and requires a neutral and ground wire and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to enable smart control. Alexa and Google Home compatible devices sold separately. Using the smart ceiling fan switches built-in Wi-Fi. Connect to a compatible voice assistant for hands-free voice control, set schedules, and save energy. Set a schedule for your fan to turn off when you aren't home so you can save energy and money. Advanced motion detection, completely hands-free, and smart operation of your connected lights. The switch automatically turns lights on when motion is detected and turns off after a preset time. Ideal for areas such as bedrooms, hallways, and restrooms where hands-free operation is ideal. Daylight detection, smart ambient light detection will sense daylight and prevent lights from turning on during the day. Smart mode and away mode, set different light triggers based on your routine for effortless control. Automatically turns devices on and off at different times to give the appearance that someone is home. Works with all bulb types, 600W incandescent, halogen, 300 watt LED, CFL, MLV, ELV. Voice and app control. Manage your device with voice commands via Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Samsung SmartThings. Hands-free operation of your lights from anywhere through the free Kasa app. Trusted and reliable, the KS200M is UL certified, meaning rigorous testing is done for safety and certified by a third-party laboratory. Includes our industry-leading 2-year warranty. Kasa is trusted by over 7 million users worldwide. Kasa Smart Action, a part of the Kasa smart ecosystem. The switch works with other Kasa devices, so you can set smart actions and groupings with your other Kasa devices. Easy guided install. Neutral wire is required. Standard wall plate size. No need to understand complex switch wiring or master versus auxiliary switch configurations. The Kasa app guides you through easy step-by-step installation. Need 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Control from anywhere. Monitor your light status. Turn electronics on and off from anywhere with your smartphone using the Kasa app, whether you are at home, in the office, or on vacation. Voice control. Enjoy the hands-free convenience of controlling the Li